Excuse me, I have a phone call. Hello? It's nice to hear from you. I have wonderful news. I have important news. Someone special is coming for dinner tonight.
Who could it be? Tom, I'm worried. I miss Mom. I don't want anyone to replace Mom. Someone is here.
Who is at the door? Hello, David.
It's nice to see you. Hello, Tom. Hello, Emma.
This is my friend, Anna.
These are for your family.
Let's have dinner together. Please enjoy your meal.
Your school sounds wonderful. Your school sounds wonderful. Our teacher was so funny today.
May I help with the dishes? Oh, that would be lovely, thank you. Thank you for helping, Anna. I'm happy to help. May I help you?
We finished it.
Great job, Emma. Can I play too? You're really good.
This is so much fun.
Catch it, Tom.
I'm happy you're here. Can we talk for a moment? Anna is my friend.
I'm happy to meet you both.
No one can ever replace your mom.
I understand now.
We will always decide together.
I love you, Dad.
I love you both. How about we end this perfect evening with a movie?
Thank you for trusting me.
Let's watch a movie together.
This movie is so funny. I'm having fun.
Would you like some popcorn?
Seeing you smile makes me happy.
That was a wonderful movie. Thank you for coming, Anna.
아주 준토르스 컨트롤 해쳐. Thank you for welcoming me. Goodbye. See you soon.
Goodbye, Anna.
Love grows when families trust, listen, and care for each other.